Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we're making goat soup. We call it Mannish Wata in Jamaica, and we use the goat head, the belly, which is the tripe, and the goat foot. You don't want no female goat, you want a ram goat to get that nice strong taste. Okay, don't laugh, I cannot identify all of these parts, but I know this is the goat tripe and this is the goat foot. Alright? So let's start. We're going to start by washing these parts of the goat with some water and some vinegar, because that is what we do in the Caribbean. We love to wash our meats. Alright? And after we wash it really good, we're going to go ahead and just drain off the water. Then we add it to our pressure cooker, add some water, some pimentos, because we love to flavor our meat from the start. Crush it up, it don't have to be really fine. Then we're going to add some garlic. This is going to really add some flavor and also help to tenderize the goat, because we want when we're drinking our soup the goat nice and soft. We don't want a tough goat, so that is why we're pressuring it. And we also need to add some salt to this, because meat were fresh, no nice. We're gonna go ahead and cut up our vegetables, starting with our carrot, our chocho, our chayote, our green bananas. So we're going to cut up our vegetables, starting with our carrots. And we're gonna cut up our carrots really fine. Well, not really fine, but something like this. After cutting up the carrots, we're going to start on the chocho. We call the chayote. We're going to peel it, and after we peel it, we're going to cut right down in the middle and then core it out. And then we're going to cut them up similar to the carrots. So let's make some flour dumplings. So we're going to put some flour, some salt in a bowl, and then with clean hands, we're going to add a little water and knead into a dough. Simple like that and easy. Now my daddy used to always say, make sure you get all the flour in the bowl and don't waste the flour. Alright, so we're going to divide these dumplings. I'm going to make them really small, and I'm going to get around 8 to 9 dumplings, really mini ones. I don't want any big dumplings, alright? And I'm going to fold them really nice and cute. Listen, neat. Look at them, look so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these cute dumplings. So after 30 minutes, we're going to go and check this goat meat. Please let it be soft and tender. We basically run cool water over it until it makes that sound of release. You know, say it open and it's not going to explode. You can open it and it's not going to explode. Alright, so the meat, it is still tough. And I don't want a tough meat in my soup. So I'm saying, you know what? I'm going to put some more water in it, and I'm going to go ahead and pressure it again. Probably for 20 minutes this time, you know? And then now, I catch it right before it burned, and it was perfect. I love it. Yes. Soft and delicious. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and pour this into the pot that I'll be using to make my soup. And I'm going to pour a little water into that pressure cooker and just shake out all of that nice flavors. Not now waste everything I'm going right. I had some hot water boiling before, and I just add it to this pot right now, because I don't know a long waiting to cook this soup. Put it on the stove. Now it's time to add in this good old flavor, this ram goat soup mix. I always want to try it. It really smells like ram goat. And then we're going to use some cock soup mix. This just make it taste really good. Trust me, you need all of these ingredients. some black pepper. Liquid is well flavored and it's seasoned, so we can add in our carrots and our chocho now, our vegetables, to cook in this flavorful liquid. And now we're going to add our green bananas. We cut off the ends and then we're going to slice them up right into the soup with the skin on. And we need to cook our bananas for a good little while, because if it don't cook good, it can taste bitter. And don't cook it for too long, because then it can just mash out in the soup, and we don't want that either. Alright, so I have my scallions. I needed some more scallion to add into my soup, so I went into my garden and I picked some scallion. Yes. I'm gonna get enough too, enough. So alright, so we're going to go ahead and wash our scallions, and then we're going to cut it up into our soup. This has a lot of flavor. Scallion and goat go good together. We're grating some garlic go good with meats overall. Add some thyme, some pimento leaves, and then we're also going to add some pimento seeds as well. And I want to ensure that it is really fine, that it just go right into the liquid and just flavor it up easily. I'm going to have to go ahead and knead over my dumplings, but that is okay. I love kneading them to get them really cute. Add them to my pot. Go so sloop. Let them just slip in, and then I'm going to give it a big stir. Cover the pot and let it cook for a good 30 minutes. Make everything just cook down good, Everything just become one melting pot. Look at it, beautiful. It a go on with things. Now I'm going to taste it and see what it need. It need a little bit more salt and a little bit more black pepper. Do this to your likings. Wait, one ingredient missing. It is our scotch bonnet pepper. We can't leave out this. And then we're going to let it simmer for around 15 minutes before we dive in. If you want to bust your pepper, because I did that. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content like this. Woo! Please like the video. Please like it.